Hey, since you got that one down, tell me another thing you hate about your truck.
Well, you can't turn the map light off.
Yo, 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 Logan in the house. Gotta let me check what year this is. 2019 TRX 500 FE2. It kind of pulls to the right by itself. You'll see here I can straighten the handlebars and they automatically turn to the right, straight, to the right, to the right. That's how the wheels sit. So, thinking it's the power steering pump assembly, this guy here. So, gonna work on pulling all that part apart. I got a used one here, and we'll see if it takes care of the problem. All right, so it's probably been, I don't know, 45 minutes, half hour maybe. Just gonna kind of show you what I did. Pull the seat off, side plastics off, pull the right footwell off, pull the front rack off, pull this plastic guy out, unbolt the 2 bolts that hold the top steering stem in. And it's kind of a pain to get in there to get the bolts, but I took the tie rod ends off, inner tie rod ends off, and I got it in a position here where it can come out. So this is real time here. Got the old assembly out. That's how it looks. So that's this side. These bolts up here, there's 2 nuts down in here, 14 millimeter. Put this one across, super easy. That up there, super easy. Again, the tie rod ends, that's how I have them. Took them off, left them sitting there. From this side, oh yeah, I did take the shock off the other side just because it was kind of helped me see and stuff. This side you kind of had to bend back, get to that nut. There's a 14 there. Other than that, it actually wasn't too bad. Didn't have to take the radiator off, didn't have to take any of the front stuff apart. This lifts up real nice and tall with it being apart. So there we have the old one out. Oh, cut yourself there. So I got this old one, new replacement from PSN, Nebraska. Seem to get a lot of stuff from those guys. Recently anyway. Ooh, with R she blows, fellas. Okay. Make sure you compare the part with the one you took out. Looks like they removed this lower bracket. So I'll transfer that over. They both seem the same. Yeah. Let's hope to go through all this work. Dang thing works. Okay. Well, cool. Well, there you have it. So I am gonna swap this over, get it back in, bolt everything up, start it up, take it for a spin, and see if the steering issue is fixed. Stay tuned. Okay, so got the new pump back in. It's the old guy there. It's all in, got the shock back in, steering all back together. See, it turns hard. Turn it on, make sure everything works. Turns real easy like it should. Yeah, and it doesn't get stuck to the side like it did before. So slap everything together. Looks like this bracket broke. It's probably broken for a while. Oops. Get that welded on there. Button her up and should be good to hit the road. Thanks for watching. Bye.